Doctors are reporting success in the fight against HIV, the virus that causes AIDS. They say a British man appears to be free of the virus following a stem cell transplant operation. Hundreds of people flee the Syrian village of Baghouz as fighting continued. Pakistan announces the arrest of more than 40 people suspected in the February 14th bombing in Indian Kashmir. And Rio de Janeiro celebrates the second and final night of its famous carnival as samba schools parade through the city's Sambadrome.